Ruchi Soya Industries Limited FPO IPO detail IPO 2022 by Prithvish Finance. Dear investors, if you see this company, basically Ruchi Soya is the yellow revolutions for India, and founder is based in MP. The person who has started this company basically has the different man rather than the acquisition happened in 2019 itself. Okay, so Ruchi Soya Industry is the one of the company, is the largest manufacturer edible oil in India. It was acquired by Patanjali Ayurveda in the year of 2019. Ruchi Soya has ranked 175 in the top 250 consumer products global power of consumer product industry since 2012 according to published by Deloitte Touch Thomas 2. So this is all about Ruchi Soya industry. Is nothing but Ruchi Soya, and the founder of this company is Mr. Dinesh Shahra, based in Madhya Pradesh, and their subsidiaries of Ruchi Soya Realty, Ruchi Suman Agritech Private Limited, Ruchi Ethiopia Holdings, Farm Tech India Limited, Bring Trading Private Limited, Ruchi J Oil Private Limited. As they says that, but we are not focusing on this. We are focusing what we have got analysis from the market, and that's the reason we are here to tell you about the current company, because this is a fixed price issue and that is acquired by the another group. Okay, so since 1986 this company was incorporated. Patanjali resolutions has submitted. Patanjali consortium was approved by National Company Law Tribunal and successful implementation, that is NCLT. Reclarification promoter of our group in the year of 2019 to 2020. Patanjali consortium assumed control over company as per the term approved. Patanjali resolution plan 2020 to 2021 launched the 3 new product Nutrilla brand, high protein chakki atta, premium blend oil and honey. 2021 to 2022 launched Nutrilla and wellness product acquisition biscuit division from Patanjali Natural Biscuits Private Limited, acquisition of noodle and breakfast cereals by assignment agreement by Patanjali Ayurved Limited, execution of distributors agreement with the Patanjali Ayurved Limited. So this is all about where if you see their promoters detail is Acharya Balakrishna Ram Bharat, Snehalta Bharat Ruchi Soya Industry Limited, Beneficiary Trust Patanjali Ayurved Limited, Vedic Broadcasting Limited, Patanjali Peya Private Limited, Patanjali Nutrilla Biscuits Private Limited, Divya Pachkamaf Private Limited, Divya Yog Mandir Trust Patanjali Gram Udyog Nyas, Patanjali Parivahan Private Limited, Vedic Ayurved Private Limited, Sanskar Info TV Private Limited, Patanjali Agro India Private Limited, SS Vitran Healthcare Private Limited, Patanjali Paridhan Private Limited, Gangotri Ayurveda Private Limited, Swasthya Aadhar Private Limited, Patanjali Renewable Energy Private Limited, and Yogakshema Sansthan. So these are their promoters. We are going to talk about the group of companies set for the below. Parakram Securities India Private Limited, Mohan Fabtech Private Limited, Bharuva Solutions Private Limited, Atri Papers Private Limited. So here is we are going to talk about, we have inland oil seeds crushing plant 10 location, which is a 7 also associated with refining downstream capacity. Inland crushing located in Manglia, Nagpur, Sri Ganganagar, Kota, Baran, Pipriya, Guna, Daloda, Gadarwara, Washim. Out of 10 plants, 6 are operational, named Manglia, Nagpur, Washim, Baran, Guna, and Sri Ganganagar. The plants are strategically located in state of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra counted as a majority of Indian soybean crops, while Rajasthan is counted as a majority of Indian mustard crops. Port-based refinery plant. We have refining plants at a 7 location across India. The 6 locations are closed to the port and 1 location is inland, with the plant substantial depends on import through the ports. The plants are located in Mangalore at the state of Karnataka, Patal Ganga in the state of Maharashtra, Haldia in the state of West Bengal, Kandla and the state of Gujarat, and Durgavati at the state of Bihar, Chennai state of Tamil Nadu, Kakinada state of Andhra Pradesh. Out of above 7, Durgavati state of Bihar is non-operational. We have directed pipeline arrangement running the part of our plant for faster and efficient transportation of oil for refineries in Mangalore, Haldia, Kandla and Kakinada. Our oleochemical plants at Kandla also undertake the productions of certain soaps related product derives from the fatty acid. Palm crushing mills. We have palm mills in close proximity of palm plantation, aggregate capacity of 125 metric tons per hour in the crushing palm fruits, which 2 plants mills located at Pedarpuram in Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, which is combined 75 metric ton per hour, and 2 Ammapapuram at Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, which is combined capacity 50 metric tons per hour. Plant of textured soya protein. We have a plants dedicated in manufacturing TSP, which is 2 plants located alongside in inland all seeds crushing plants in Manglia, Madhya Pradesh, and our 2 parts based in refinery plants at Haldia, West Bengal. We also have planted dedicated production TSP located in Jammu. The locations of our plant helps in a faster and more efficient transportation of our products. This is about their plants. So in case of our business verticals, edible oil as a byproduct and derivatives, we are one of the largest integrated oilseed solvents extraction edible oils refining companies in India. We have presence across a wide spectrum of products including edible oils, hydrogen that is vanaspati too, we can say over here. Wait, actually we wanted to say that is hydrogenated fat, that is vanaspati, and bakery fat and byproducts and derivatives of edible oils. We have recognized amongst the largest brand of the oil packaged food companies with a strong portfolio brand various types of cooking under the main categories such as palm, soybean, mustard, sunflower, cotton seeds. Our robust brand portfolio is Moha Kosh, Ruchi Gold, Ruchi Star, Sunrich, Soyman, Tulsi, Ruchi number 1, Big Fat, Avanti and Vanaspati are our brands and well positioned in the market. Our brand Ruchi Gold has market leader in the position account of India's highest selling palm oil. So this is the company which is give highest selling of palm oils basically. So palm oil plantation initial. Okay, so we are going to actually talking about this company. And this is, dear viewers, if you are aware about this company, they are having not only Ruchi Soya, so they are having the basically they are having lots of segment from FMCG. Okay, so they really having and palm oil and premium edible oil business. We have capitalized on the brand strength of Nutrilla brand. In the umbrella of brand, we have the premium product which is focused on health and wellness segment, launched to divide individual as well as blended oil of the brand. Certain our edible oils are marketed with the fit health of future health tagline. Our product's derivative edible oil is divided into crushing byproduct, refining byproduct, which find usage of varieties of industry cattle feed. Oleochemicals is the downstream business. Oleochemical utilized by the products and produce primarily our edible oil refineries. We manufacture products, soaps, noodles, glycerin, distilled fatty acids, and as well as value-based products and castor oil, soya, palm oil derivatives, which is applications in the wider sectors of grease, lubricant, paints, crayon, personal care, cosmetics, pharmaceutical division, and presence of domestic exports market. Edible soya flour, texture of soya protein, TSP. We are a pioneer of soya food in India. We launched soya chunk in the year of 1980s through brand Nutrilla as a high protein added pioneer concept of soya chunk. 3 decades ago, Nutrilla has become household generic names. Texture of soya protein throughout the India, 40% of market shares. Branded TSP March 31st, 2020. Nutrilla is fit into the taste of the nutrition requirement and good sources of vital nutrients for the Indian consumer, especially vegetarian. Soya flour is a high protein. Flour is produced from the soybean extract, have been grounded up flour after the oil has been extracted. Soya flour is thereafter processed into TSP and sold in a chunk and granule form. Soya tea in TSP is sold retail consumer in under the Nutrilla brand and export overseas Ruchi umbrella brand in various pack size. So this is about their products. Honey and atta flavors. Flour. Leveraging of brand Nutrilla associated with the nutrition of the good health and launch Nutrilla high protein chakki. Atta Nutrilla honey is fiscal year 2021 brand wheat flour industry 15% market shares in the India, which is expected rise up to 23% in 2025. The opportunity branded wheat flour atta is combination of the wheat and soya flour contain 30% of protein. Regular wheat atta to meet the body daily protein requirement. It's fortified with iron, folic acid, and vitamin B12. Branded honey sector's growth opportunities since market share expected increase from 55% to 65% in financial year 2025. COVID-19, we have result the broad based upsurge in the consumption of honey and growing consumer needs in a natural immunity. Booster building the same way. So they are selling the honey, they are selling the atta, they are selling the oil. They are majorly based on the Ruchi Soya. It's a soya bean product which they are having a plant, palm plantations, means like not palm plantations. They are having majorly into the we can say over here Oil palm plantation is initially direction of allotment zone and the state government development. Oil palm we venture oil palm plantation development routed backward integration, and now one of the largest palm plantation in India. Palm oil is the highest consumed vegetable and almost 41% to 42%. The shares has global total global and Indian consumption respectively. In India, crude palm oil is majorly imported and present large opportunity for domestic player engaged oil palm plantation. Today, Ruchi oil palm is reckoned as one of the top player segment with the largest allocated zone, that is 2,99,245 hectares. In our oil palm business, we produce a range of basically, so we will not capture much about palm kernel cake, etc. We are not going to talk about them. Then they have another segment is biscuits. Products including palm oil, crude palm kernel oil, and palm kernel cake. The fresh fruit bunch FFB and the palm oil firms work closely with providing planting material, agriculture inputs, and in see basically in this IPO or FPO, this company is from the FMCG, so they basically has captured from all your needs which is you are using in your kitchen, from oil, atta. Then they have ensured that the modern India had consumed a lot of their product under the fit and fine or protein name. So they are having biscuits, cookies, rusk. Initially in India, all these products are available into the market, but those are homemade rather than this kind of company made. Okay, now they have changed, they have the name under name of Patanjali Natural Biscuits Private Limited. Pursuant business transfer and lump sum consideration 6,002.50 lakhs, and this is a fiber and one of the leader milk biscuit category under the name of Doodh biscuit cookies, Rusk product portfolio, milk biscuit, cookies, bakery biscuit, crackers, Marie cream, crunchy and digestive, and rusk under the name of Patanjali brand. The manufacturer model combination of in-house manufacturing, outsource manufacturing, and the benefit of synergy between Patanjali distribution network and FMCG distribution network. Noodles, breakfast cereals, we acquired breakfast cereals and atta, that is wheat. Noodle product categories in the year of 2021, that is Patanjali assignment agreement. Our noodles breakfast cereals business is focuses on the manufacturing and sell healthier version of non-maida noodles predominantly available in India. We have content of fiber and protein sold under the brand name Patanjali. So whatever they are having the products and the brand, they have rebranded as a Patanjali, as we can say over here, because this is already existing into the market when Ruchi Soya was there, and then this company has came across and they have keep it what Patanjali's name, like. So acquiring company is not a lose of business also, we can say over here, because whatever they have not makes any revolution, they have acquired the company and they have changed the name of their brand, that's it. Ready to eat cereal including Flash, Choco Flags, Chatpata Classic, Flavor Variant, Chocolates, Muesli, etc. So if you see, these names are even as the same as other names which is available into the market with the different names. because people know the names only, they don't know the company names. They will say, give me the muesli, give me the choco flakes. So everybody was mad. And is it really worth to do or buy such a brand name? Because if you see, the people was eating a branded also goes to hospital. Anyways, wheat dalia is available, oats is available. Nowadays people are more interested to eat oats and all. Then nutraceutical and wellness products are also available. Nutraceutical and wellness products space to the tech and benefit experience and Patanjali Group, which is experimental player and Ayurvedic FMCG segment. Nutraceutical launched the joint branding Patanjali and Nutrela. We have believed 14 years of Patanjali Group has developed niche brand within the such a high potential market. Our entire nutraceutical and wellness products are 100% vegetarian. We focus on making our products and extent possible non-GMO and preservative free, contains biofermented active ingredients. Our company has catered to all categories: dietary supplement, nutraceutical such as medical, nutrition, meat condition, disease specific, goal diabetic, nutrition, dialysis nutrition, bone health, anemia, sports nutrition, energy supplement, mass muscle gainer, etc. Health, anemia and sports nutrition are energy supplementary, mass muscles gainer. General nutrition overall health, general wellness and multivitamin and weight management. Our formulations are the forms of tablet, capsules and powder. Renewable energy, wind power and counter of carbon footprints. We generated power from renewable energy sources, and September 30, 2021 we generated wind power in the total aggregate amount 84.6 megawatt across 11 locations in 6 states. So this is all about their business vertical, which we have explained you. We are going to talk about here the Ruchi Soya Industry Limited company detail, and in that case this company has started 6 January 1986 under the Company Act 1956, but they have registered office in Maharashtra state, Mumbai, as they mentioned, and this company is basically from the MP. Anyways, we are going to talk about registered office Ruchi House, Royal Palm, survey number 169, RML Colony, near Mayur Nagar, Goregaon East, Mumbai 400065. And for further information, the corporate office is in office number 601, part B2 Metro Tower, 6th floor, Vijayanagar, AB Road, Indore 452010, Madhya Pradesh. Further information, log on ruchisoya.com, guys. So here we are going to talk about their companies. Basically we have already covered up their footprints, how they Patanjali has acquired this company. Now we are going to talk about their competitors. So Ruchi Soya is having an edible oil, wheat flour, soya chunk, honey, biscuit, breakfast and noodles and pasta. And in case of Patanjali, doesn't have the soya chunk, including all this category: edible oil, wheat flour, then honey, biscuit and breakfast cereals and noodles, pasta. Where their other competitors are Adani Wilmar, Imami Agrotech, Marico, Cargill ITC, Shakti Bhog, HEL, that is Annapurna, and Dabur, Imami Limited, Britannia and Parley. But these are not available in all categories. Somewhere are in more into the biscuits, wheat flours and noodle pastas like that, or edible oils. They are having only products in this kind of category. So if you see their brands which is available into the market with the Ruchi Soya's brands, that is Tulsi, So Yummy, Ruchi Star, Ruchi Gold, Sunrich, Mahakosh, Nutrila. Where if you see their competitor names are Adani Wilmers having Fortune, Bullet Kings, Aadhar, Gold, Ra, Adani Wilmer, Avsar. Okay, Imami is Himami, healthy and tasty, best choice. Where in case of Cargill, they are having Gemini, Leo, Nardo, Nature Fresh, Chakyata. Hopefully, you have seen Sunflower, Sweekar, Srat. Mariko is having one brand, that is Safola, and then Bunch is having Dalda, Chambal, Gari, Gagan. Okay, it's Gagan, and there is one of the brand is there, and Gemini is having First Class and Freedom. Okay, so this is all about their brand name, which we have already covered. Where in case of their product portfolio, we are going to talk about GSK, Osteocalcium, Eno, Sensodyne, etc. Consumer healthcare and digestive health, oral care. Amway is having Nutrilite, Excess Whey, Body Key, Attitude, Artistry, Nutrition, Health, Beauty and Healthcare. These are their competitor. Okay, Abbott, Ensure, Similac, Eclair, Zoni Perfect, Pedisure. These are nutrition for diabetic care and diagnostic pharmaceutical. Dynon, Protonex, Dexolac, Ferex and Nuzobi. That is for nutrition. Zydus, it's a Glucon D, it's Complan and Complan. Nutrilite, sugar-free and sugar-free light, nutrition and health wellness. Dabur, Dabur Chyawanprash, Dabur Honey, Real Juice, Hajmola, Honey Nuts. Honey's Ayurvedic medicines, consumer healthcare, oral care, food. Himalaya, Pure Hand, Pure Home, Coughlette, QD, Immunity, Complete Care, Questa Kids, Herbal Healthcare and Nutrition Wellness. So in case of Patanjali, they are selling aloe vera juice, amla juice, herbal power, Vita C, Buckthorn capsule, Amrit Rasayan, Immunocharge, natural healthcare, Ayurveda medicine, wellness, home care, personal care. Ruchi Soya is having Nutrila Daily Energy, Nutrila Daily Active, Nutrila Bone Health Natural, Nutrila White Wheat, B12, Nutrila Iron Complex, Nutrila Wheat, D2K Natural, Nutrila Omega 3, 6, 7 and 9, etc. General and medical nutrition, sports nutrition. So here is the people are also keeping their wellness. So we are going to talk about the company's revenue. Guys, more interested into the revenue because investments run around means world. Anyways, revenue from including income in the year of fiscal year 2021, the lakhs, this will be in lakhs, that is 16,38,297.71. that is from the Ruchi Soya industry. Face value 2 rupees, and the closing share price on 7th March is 798. Okay, anyways, we are not where and their PE ratio is 34.70%. EPS diluted is 23.02, NAV is 137.35. And if you catch their similar, we can say they're similar or competing with Zydus Wellness PE ratio, NAV is more higher, that is 752, where in case of Agrotech Food Limited 182, Navy Britannia is Industry 147 NAV, and their Godrej Agrotech 106. Okay, this is all their biggest competitor, because even if you do the business while segmenting single products, also you do much more better business. ITC is having revenue 55 lakh 78,000, 55 lakhs, it is in a lakhs only. Okay, so everything is again lakhs. It's anyways, it's just in lakhs we are counting. 55 lakh 78,768 in lakhs, it is the whole figure is. Okay, and in case of Ruchi Soya, it's a 16 lakhs 38,297.71 in lakhs. Its total is this much, because we can't say 10 raised to something, 10 raised to 10, 10 raised to 17, like that way. So here is we are going to talk into the lakhs only. So their competitor is Nestle India Limited, which is having 14 lakh 82,952. In case of Britannia is competing in lakhs, the total figure is in lakhs, where in Britannia Industry it's 13 lakhs 44,901 in lakhs. The total figure is in lakhs. So here we can see P ratio is highest in case of Zydus Wellness, Agrotech, and Nestle, where the Britannia's P ratio is also good as comparing as the Ruchi Soya and the Dabur. Okay, so we are not giving a figure. We will come back to with the GMP analysis and this P ratio very soon. Just wait and watch for our GMP analysis, guys. Welcome to Rithivesh Finance. And yes, absolutely, we will do some chart analysis at the beginning of this FPO. Guess what? This is the first FPO of the year, that is Ruchi Soya Industry FPO. Dear viewers, if you see the chart analysis of Ruchi Soya Industries since 2005, means how many years they have completed into the market. So if you see, there is a drastic change happen in the year of 2020. Okay, first of all, if you see, this company has touched around 1,500, means like since in the year of 2019, the company has seen the lot of downfall, and from that downfall the company raised within an year itself, it has touched more than 1,181.05 by Ruchi Soya Industries. Right now the company share has around below the 900 even, and this is a fixed price issue, so probably this may goes down on the day of listing around 600. So if you are interested to be the exit from this share, choice is yours, you wanted to hold it or not, because many companies has shows the listing gain even on the fixed price issue, but mostly this company will not shows or may shows the downtrend. We can't say anything like that. It's all about those people who gives perfect statistic, and we are only gives our stat which is will be randomly one, and that is after the issue get closed we can say something, because in 2022 is not equivalent to 2021, whatever we have reflected into the market, and in the year of 2021 whatever we have predicted, that is also comes true, and in 2022 our static also reverse accordingly the strategy of the market. So that's the reason Ridhivesh Finance may not may not give perfect statistic as of now, so wait for the GMP predictions too. But probably till the issue get open, this can goes down, because if you see the chart analysis of Ruchi Soya Industries, drastic change since 2005. And yes, absolutely, we will see what the management will do. Ruchi Soya Industries Limited IPO 2022. This is a fixed price issue FPO. Actually, it's not IPO. Opening date will be 24th March 2022. IPO closing date will be 28th March 2022. Issue type book build issue FPO. Face value 2 rupees per equity share. IPO price band between 615 to 650 rupees per equity shares. 21 shares market lot, minimum order quantity 21 shares, and listing at Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE and NSE. So it's all about FPO, which is acquired by Patanjali Group. Ruchi Soya Industry has acquired by Patanjali Group. But if you see, this Patanjali has did what exactly they into the market and how, that we will come back to you very soon. Subscription prediction for Ruchi Soya Industries Limited. We expect the subscription happen between 45% to 76%, because if you see, we gives this a brand because Ruchi Soya Industries management has good amount of strategy, along with their, basically they have a capture the retail outlets. Okay, retail outlets means how much retail outlet they have captured. One of the group which is give a retail branding the branded products at the market where consumer can buy out, and that's the reason we were expected probably this Ruchi Soya Industry can again show the charm. But suppose the investor wanted to exit from the share and wanted to reinvest into the IPOs, or not interested to invest it, then we can't say anything. Anyways guys, so we will wait and watch till the IPO has get closed. But till the time, this is random subscription prediction which we have given band between 45% to 76%. That's it, choice is yours, you wanted to invest it or not. Rating strategy for Ruchi Soya Industry by Ridhivesh Finance. We will give this company 2.5 out of 5, because if you see, first time we have seen the directors, one of the director of this company who has acquired this company has a lot of allegations against him. We will not disclose the name of the director, everybody know who's that director. Anyways, there is a lot of allegations, has was first time there revealed that a lot of allegations against such a group. Okay, and that is even based on the intelligence he has theft, we can say over here, because the allegation shows like that way. Suppose somebody has an idea and that is has been theft, so that's the reason we will minimize this rating for Ruchi Soya Industries Limited IPO for this company. So that's the reason probably you may see the uptrend or downtrend, it depends on, but value is more important for any company who wanted to be into the market, along with the strategy. It's not you can theft the idea, as we can see. And yes, people are filing the patent, etc., etc. Anyways, it's all about the company and then management, how they play and their key players strategies. Okay, Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. We will come back to you with the GMP analysis very soon after the closure of the company. And our all GMPs are based on a random. Just keep it in mind, because we are not connected with anyone. We are not SEBI registration till dated right now. We gives a random analysis and statistics. If you like it, thumbs up to your videos.